In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Stripe connection error in your Stan store. By following these steps, you will ensure that your Stripe account is properly set up and connected to your store, allowing for seamless payment processing. Begin by checking your Stripe account to ensure it is active and verified. Log into your Stripe account and confirm that all your business information is accurate. This includes verifying that your bank account is correctly set up. If any details are incorrect or missing, rectify these before proceeding, as an unverified account may lead to connection issues. Next, navigate to your Stan Store dashboard. Click on the More option located in the left-hand menu, then select Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Payments. Here, you will see the option to connect your Stripe account. Click on Connect Stripe if you have not yet connected it. If it is already connected, click Reconnect. A login prompt will appear and you will need to log in to your Stripe account and authorize access to complete the connection process. After reconnecting, it is essential to check your browser and network settings. Start by clearing your browser's cache and cookies to eliminate any potential issues caused by stored. If the error persists, try using a different browser or open an incognito or private browsing window. Additionally, ensure that your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection may hinder the Stripe integration. Next, verify that the currency and country settings in your Stan store match those in your Stripe account. Stripe supports specific currencies and countries, and any discrepancies can lead to connection errors. Check the settings in your Stan store to ensure they align with your Stripe account configuration. If you have followed all these steps and the connection error still occurs, it may be time to reach out for assistance. To contact Stan Store support, return to the More menu and select Help. Alternatively, you can email support@stan.store. For issues directly related to Stripe, contacting their support team can provide further insights into your account connection. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.